Hi you guys, my name is Sidney and welcome to my channel. This is gonna be my first video, you guys. I hope that y'all enjoy it and please bear with me because if you know then you know. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me as I wash my hair today. If you subscribed already, then please subscribe because it helps me out a lot. Without further ado, we're gonna start washing my hair. Washing my hair, I'm gonna be using this Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo, the avocado one. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. You can get this at Walmart, Dollar Store. I got mine from Walmart and it runs like $5. It's 26.2 fluid ounces and it lasts me like a long time, y'all. And this stuff like is so good. It makes my hair so soft and it smells so good. If you want to get this, then I'll link it down below in the description. So let's shampoo my hair. I'm just gonna apply my shampoo now. I like to start from my roots on down because shampoo dries your hair out and you don't want your ends to be drying all out. So you start from the top. I just massage all the shampoo into my hair, y'all, into my scalp. I'm gonna go rinse that out now. Depending on how like dirty my hair is or how long I've gone without washing it, I might like shampoo my hair twice, but I really try to stay away from the shampoo because like I said, it dries your hair out. I just washed my hair last week, so I'm not gonna shampoo it again. Back, you guys, I washed the shampoo out of my hair. The water wasn't hot, but it wasn't cold either. It was warm, I guess. So to condition my hair, I'm gonna use the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner. This isn't the avocado one, but it still has jojoba oil. I don't know if I said that or not, but the avocado one well, all of them contain jojoba oil. This one is just as good, like even though it's not the same kind as shampoo, it works just as well together. Makes my hair really soft. Like, I know I say this a lot, but shampoo really dries out your hair, so you want to use a conditioner that like restores all of that moisture back in. So this, y'all, if y'all haven't tried it, please go try it. You can get it at Walmart, your beauty supply store, and the dollar store. It's the same price as the shampoo, $5, and it's worth it, y'all. So whenever I apply my conditioner, I apply it all over, but I really focus on my ends because your ends get dried out easily, and it's like one of the most important parts of your hair. So you want to just focus all of that on your ends, y'all. So that's what I do. I first apply this much. It's not that much, but I apply more as I go. I'm gonna apply that all over my hair. I'm not detangling yet. I'm just trying to get the conditioner all through my hair first. I apply as I go, and I apply as much as I need. So yeah, I just get that conditioner all in there. Once the conditioner is in there, then I go to my ends. I focus more on my ends, and depending on how tangled my hair is, I finger detangle sometimes. My hair doesn't get that tangly. So
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
tangly, what is that even a word? What? Hair doesn't get that tangled, so yeah. And another thing, y'all want to start detangling from the bottom and move on up, because if you start from the top, you're damaging your hair way more than you would starting at the bottom. So you want to start at the bottom and move on up. My hair doesn't get that detangled, so it's not much. Some more conditioner, and I'm gonna apply it to my ends. Not a dimming brush because I don't have one of those. It's a job of a dimming brush, but it's not a dimming brush. It's like a wet brush, I think. The label rubbed off on it, but yeah, it's one of these brushes. It's just as good as a dimming brush. Now I'm just gonna run this through my hair just to make sure that all of the conditioner is distributed all throughout my hair. Like, look at my curls. It works just as good as a dimming brush, and I just love it. So I don't leave it in, but I do let it sit for a while. So I'm gonna like leave that in for like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna go rinse it out and then come back. I'm back, you guys. I rinsed out my conditioner, and FYI, I rinsed out my conditioner with cool water because I feel like hot water, it opens your pores, and like you conditioned your hair already and you shampooed it, so what's the point in keeping your pores open? You want to close your pores so you can retain all that moisture. I'm so out of breath. Conditioned my hair, y'all. I've rinsed it out, and now it's time to deep condition. It's a deep conditioner. This stuff is great. It works so good in my hair, and it's the Moisture Replenishing Strength Hair Mask. Just apply. You can find this at your local beauty supply store. That's where I got it from, or Walmart. It's like $8. It's not bad. And another thing I forgot to tell y'all, I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I dry my hair with a t-shirt, with a big t-shirt. I don't dry with towels because that strips your moisture as well. So I dry with a t-shirt. I'm just gonna start applying this. I just start here. And I take some product. I take about this much, and if I need more, then I just add as I go. And I just run that through my hair. Make sure to get it in. Your ends need moisture. Your ends need to be sealed with moisture. I distribute all that product, and all I do is twist my hair. And I leave this deep conditioner in for 10 minutes. I like to leave it in for the full 10 so I'm not missing out on anything, you know. This is my deep conditioning style. Alright, you guys, so I'm done putting the deep conditioner in my hair. When I deep condition, I use this is ghetto, but I don't care. I use a plastic bag, a grocery bag. It's good to deep condition with heat, so all of that product can like just soak up in your hair. Yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, and then you guys, I'm back. I washed out my deep conditioner, and this is how my hair is looking. I style my hair, and I'm gonna put my leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner that I use is from Shea Moisture. It's the Jamaican black castor oil one. This is like my fave, y'all. It works so good, and it defines my curls so well. I got mine from Amazon, and this is the bonus size one. It's bigger than the normal ones, and it was only like $6. In stores it's like $8, I think. But yeah, I got this from Amazon. I'll link it down below if you want to get it. I'm just gonna start distributing that product. What I'm gonna do now, after I've applied all that through my hair, I'm scrunching my hair to get all the excess product. I just brush my hair out. And after I brush through, I just scrunch again with my hands. Do y'all see? Do you see, honey? After that's done, after all that product is in, after I brushed it out, I'm gonna lay my edges now. So I'm gonna just take out what I need, what I want to lay. And that's curling up already with no edge control. See, girl? To lay my edges, I'm going to be using this Eco Styler. It's the olive oil one. I love this stuff. I'm almost out, as y'all can see, and my top is broken, but don't mind it. Just lay my edges however I want them. My edges, they do their own thing most of the time, and I like to leave this little curl there. I'm going to add an oil to my hair. And the oil that I'm going to be using today is the Luster's Pink Natural Oil Blends Lush Growth Oil, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure where you can get this. I got it in a giveaway. So what I do is I apply it on my fingertips like this, and I just rub it together on both so I can distribute both in my scalp. I don't usually do like what everyone else does. They flip their hair over. I don't do all that. Maybe I should start, because what if it works? You know, I'm missing out. That is all. So I will come back to you guys when my hair is fully dry so I can show y'all the finished product. So you guys, I'm back. My hair is like 75% dry, like 80% dry. My hair after it's dried, get a close up. You know, my hair is bomb because of that freaking deep conditioner. I know that's what it is, y'all. I'm telling y'all. So after this, you know, you don't have to do this step, but I do this sometimes. My hair is not like as full as I want it to be. I just go ahead and take my comb. I don't have a pick, so I use my wide tooth comb, and I just like pick it at the root so it can just be bigger. I just pick it to my liking, you know. I cannot get over my hair, like, sis. So you guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you want to see more from me, then just let me know what you want to see. I thank you so much for tuning in. There's so much more content coming, and I just hope you all enjoy. So until next time, bye.